Hey there, Wilson. Why the sad face?
Oh, I forgot to get my brownie mix from the store. I gotta have brownies for National Brownie Day on December 8th.
You don't need them brownie mixes from the grocery store. You make up your own at home.
Is that a fact?
All you need is some flour, some sugar, some cocoa powder. You're good to be.
Well, now, that sounds simple enough, and I'll definitely have them in time for National Brownie Day.
Sure. Let me show you. Follow me along on this video. My God, what did you eat? Tastes like a brownie to me. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.